A warm welcome to our friends from Italy and Spain. Today, our European clients visited our factory to check and test our professional crop color sorting machine in person. We demonstrated the whole sorting process on site. Our color sorter can accurately identify and remove defective grains, discolored materials, shriveled particles and tiny impurities. Green light improving the overall quality of agricultural crops. Manual sorting is time-consuming and inconsistent. Our intelligent sorting equipment helps processing factories save labor costs, improve efficiency and increase product yield. We communicated deeply with clients about their local crop processing demands and customized the most suitable sorting solution for them. As a professional color sorter manufacturer, we always focus on stable machine performance and practical sorting effects. Looking forward to sincere and long-term cooperation with our European partners.